Good morning, traders. Stephen Davis here, RJO Futures Senior Market Strategist. Happy Friday to everybody. Here to talk to you about the grain markets this morning. Corn and wheat are down 5, and soybeans are up 1 to 2 cents here this morning. So we got a USDA, the first outlook forum going on for 2014, and our agricultural secretary, Dr. Glauber, making statements about acreage in corn and soybeans. And the government, our USDA, is telling us record soy and corn production coming up in 2014. So I want to talk to you about the demand scenario. We've got global robust demand for our grains. And start with China. Certainly their appetite for US soybeans is unprecedented. I think it's going to continue. China wants to double their hog production. And China buys more pork and hogs than the next 10 countries put together. So this is truly unparalleled. The world's never seen anything like this. The European Union, it felt like it was going to go away a year ago. Well, it didn't. So they're back, and not that they buy all their grain from us, but it depletes other suppliers in the world. So, Mexico buys a lot of U.S. corn from us. So this global demand for grain is strong. I think it's going to continue. So we do have trending markets here trending higher, soybeans, rice, oats, corn, soybean meal, soybean oil, all trending higher. So this is a heavyweight fight going on for acres here in 2014. Soybeans and corn, they do this every year this time to try to buy as many acres as they can. So, soybeans in China at their ports are backing up here a little bit. So the soybean market, you're throwing a lot of negative news at it, and it's not going down. You've got China rebalancing their soybean purchases, changing them. We talk about record production in Brazil. Their harvest is moving along in Brazil. The Argentina farmer is selling a lot of soybean. All this bearish news, and soybeans, they don't go down very much. And when they do go down, they come right back. So you've got 4 weeks of higher highs and higher lows in soybeans. You've got 5 weeks of higher highs and higher lows in corn. Take a look at a crude oil chart. 7 weeks of higher highs and higher lows. Learn to do this. Nobody can take this from you. It's very simple. And the markets are trending higher. And if nothing else, err on the side of being long until you're proven otherwise. So, moving along here, what's going to go on next week? It's the last week of February, and as we get into March, the markets are supposed to trend lower. We've got that March 31st acreage report, very big report. We'll be talking to you about that. One last comment on the weather, and even the USDA, they make their acreage projections here for 2014, and it depends on very good weather. Well, I got to tell you, the winter that we're going through here in northern Illinois, I don't know that you can depend on very good weather. I'm a Midwest guy, and this is the most challenging winter I've ever been through. I had trouble walking to my driveway this morning to get into my car. So the one predictability of weather forecasting is its unpredictability. And we're very good at predicting weather 2 days out, 4 days out, but saying what's going to happen weeks and months from now. I mean, we can measure the temperature of the ocean water out on the coast of Peru, but very hard and challenging to forecast weather going out weeks and months. So corn is at a 3.5-year low, and if we've got problems planting corn this spring, it's Katie by the door. We rally 50 cents to $1. And really, generally, I'll leave you with this, traders, and not just the farmers, all of us, if these markets, these grain markets do rally, it should be a selling opportunity. So have a great day, great trading, and we'll talk to you next week. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.